Hi and welcome to Web Manuals Tutorials. In this video, I will be talking about categories and how to create a category in Web Manuals. And I will also take you through the different types of documents and their different icons. So here from the Web Manuals admin interface, click on Documents and Manage Documents. So Manage Documents provides access to the documents stored within Web Manuals. Each document is stored in one or multiple categories. Document categories are displayed here on the left. And as you can see, once a category is selected, the content of each category is displayed in the document list here on the right. So let's take a closer look at document categories. Categories are listed in alphabetical order and arranged in main or subcategories. The number next to each category indicates the amount of documents present in that category. So let's create a category. Please note that only admins can do this, and if editors are given the same access. To add and create a category, click on Add Category. Give your category a name and save. And you will see it will appear here in the list. You can edit that category by clicking here on the Overflow menu. You can add a subcategory. And you can delete the category. But please note that this is only possible if the categories are empty and do not have any subcategories. Above the list of categories, you can expand and close all categories by clicking here. Now let's take a look at the document list. Here in the Overflow menu, you can copy a document. It allows you to create an exact copy of that document. From this Overflow menu, you can also archive a document. And that document can later be found under Documents, Archive Documents. Now let's take a look at the different types of documents and their different icons. Here we have a web document, and this is a document that can be edited in the Web Manuals editor. Its content can be imported from an HTML or a Word document. The grey colored icon of the web document means the document hasn't been published yet. And the blue icon shows a published web document. Next, we have a file document. This is a document such as a PDF, Word, or image file. It can be uploaded and stored and distributed within Web Manuals, but it cannot be edited in the Web Manuals editor. Please note that PDF files and images can be viewed in Web Manuals, while other types of files need to be downloaded. And finally, we have an external document, which is a URL link. It means that it is stored in an external location. However, it can be stored and distributed to the readers in Web Manuals. This icon means the document has been copied and is used as a template. The content of the template and the copy can be synchronized. Thank you for watching and see you soon for more Web Manuals tutorials.